Best Internet Security Software 2020. We have tested all the top internet security software, and among them, A2z Defender is the only that has given 100% protection to the system against the online vulnerabilities. This antivirus is top-notch, incorporated advanced features, and available at cost-effective plans. Honestly, if you want a safe browsing experience, you need to install the best internet security software in your system. Comes with a plethora of features, easy-to-use interface. A2z Defender is the best antivirus of today's time. In this blog, we will look into the things that make this software best. All A2z Defender internet security antivirus packages come with firewall. It can block unauthorized incoming and outgoing internet traffic. Password manager, generate and offer unable to crack passwords. PC SafeCam, make sure no one can access your PC's webcam. Cloud backup, it enables you to store data. VPN, it provides you with a safe and secure internet connection and can access lots of geo-restriction locations. File encryption, secures sensitive files from external threats. Reasons to choose A2z Defender Antivirus. Needless to say, A2z Defender is the top choice among the mid-range software. It has a secure browser, anti-protection theft, real-time monitoring, and a lot of useful features. So, if you are looking for a reliable, feature-rich internet security antivirus, then you should give a try to A2z Defender. All the A2z Defender antivirus programs offer excellent malware protection. And each program's features have varied according to the price. But, they are all easy to install, lighter, increase the performance of your operating system, and most importantly offer solid virus protection. If you want a full-on protection internet security application that can possibly detect all kinds of external threats, then install A2z Defender internet security software. Unlike some other mid-range internet antivirus software, A2z Defender keeps your PC safe and doesn't take up a lot of system resources. When it comes to pricing, A2z Defender antivirus plans are economical. Get in touch to know more about A2z Internet Security Antivirus. A2z Defender customer support service is readily available to help you. We have a team of experienced customers executives who are round the clock available to answer your queries. Make a call at A2z Defender toll-free number and share your queries with us effortlessly. Our executives will share everything related to the antivirus and help you in purchasing the best one that suits your system needs. A2z Defender is cost-effective. If you want internet security software without taxing your wallet, then A2z Defender is the best software for you. It offers real monitoring services at a very affordable plan. It is a well-rounded internet security software that you won't find any other software at this price. A2z Defender provide A2z protection for your Mac devices, secure your data, ransomware protection, block phishing sites, safeguard your children from cyber threats with the help of a powerful firewall protection. For more information and benefits of A2z Defender, visit A2zdefender.com. Call our toll-free 1-888-922-4777.